talk shit. Who the boss, bitch? Move the crowd now. Randy Moss shit. Sharks swimming in the water, you'll get tossed in. I'm fucking first class. I'm in the cockpit. It's obnoxious, it's bumping out my car. Pencil shake your dining room table off from afar. Down the street, they can hear me pretty clearly. Making in the night with your daddy pulling yearly. See a little style, I got mine's patent. Always rock a smile, never a distraction. Brand new Mercedes, cameras when I back it. Fuck with single ladies, yeah I did a little acting. Love me on the weekend, behave me when I'm working. Overly dedicated and overly medicated for certain. If I heard a brand new person, it's gravy. I ain't talking slim when I say these bitches shady. Chicken sandwiches and turquoise beats. Head to sleep, hair and Levi jeans. Never get no sleep, you know all about me. Come and meet my team, bitch, meet my team. Meet my team, you know all about me. Come and meet my team. Bitch, meet my team, you know all about me. Come and meet my team. And if you see me, I'll be with my team. Got my homie Billy, probably in Supreme. Jimmy and Will be selling shirts to the fans. While Trees and Clock, they got you raising your hands. Then you got Q, that's my right hand man. Shout out Lil Dave, sitting shotty in the van. Everyone I came with, travel like a gang bitch. City after city, everybody speak our language. We just flex, yeah, Google Plex checks. Got all these people asking what's next. Success in a dumb fresh life. Taking bets, you trying to lose a little money tonight. I'm on top of the stage, but under the lights. We invading your crib and fucking your wife. So have a ball, no sports, no sprawling. Popping champagne, gon' spray it on the awning. Chicken sandwiches and turquoise beats. Head to sleep, hair and Levi jeans. Never get no sleep, you know all about me. Come and meet my team, bitch, meet my team.